Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am back with an interesting question. So let us see. In the question, a circle is given whose center is at point O. Now angle PQO is 35 degrees, angle RQO is 30 degrees, and we are asked to find the measure of angle X, that is angle ORP. So let us begin the solution. First of all, let us focus on triangle OQR. Here we see that OQ is the radius of the circle. Likewise, OR is also the radius of the circle. So we can say that these two lengths are equal. So triangle OQR will be an isosceles triangle. And we know the property of an isosceles triangle, that the angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. So this angle will be equal to this angle. That means each will be 30 degrees. Now if this is 30 degree, this is 30 degree, so the remaining angle, this angle will be what? This will be 180 degree minus 30 degrees minus 30 degrees. We will use the angle sum property. So this will be 180 minus 60 degrees and this is equal to 120 degree. So the central angle is 120 degree. Now, if this central angle formed by the chord QR is 120 degree, then the angle formed by the same chord QR at any point on the circumference, that is, let us take this point P, this will be half of the angle formed at the center. So this will be 60 degree. Recall that if we have a circle and this is the center, if there is a chord, if for example this one, so if there are two angles formed here, one angle at the center and one angle on the circumference at any point. So if this is theta, the central angle is double the theta. So if this is 60, then only this will be 120 degrees. So after this, let us focus on triangle PQR. So in triangle PQR, this complete triangle formed on the circumference of this circle. So this angle P, I am naming this as P, is 60 degree. Angle Q will be collectively 30 plus 35. That means 65 degrees. So if this is 60 degree, this is complete Q is 65 degrees. So this complete R will be what? It will be 180 degree minus 60 degree minus 65 degrees. So this will be 180 degree minus 125 degrees, that is 55 degrees. So this entire angle R is 55 degrees. And this 55 degrees is made up of two angles, angle X and 30 degree. So we can write X plus 30 degree is equal to 55 degrees. So X will be 55 degrees minus 30 degrees, that is 25 degrees. So the measure of angle X is 25 degrees. This is our answer. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.